Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Garden, a complete knowledge workshop.
Welcome to today's class. Those who have not attended the previous class, please go to the description box and follow the link. जो माने आपण माने पुराना क्लास गुड़ा देखी ना तो आमर description box को जाइकी से माने देखी पारिबे। पुणी थर आपण मानक स्वागत करुच्ची। तो आज आमे आरंभ करिबा। आमे पढ़िथिले क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस। तो एथिरे आमे सेंटेंस कौन, प्रेडिकेट सेंटेंस रे सब्जेक्ट कौन, प्रेडिकेट कौन, फ्रेज कौन, हाँ तापरे विभिन्न प्रकार सेंटेंस जोटा कि स्ट्रक्चर बेसिस रे, तापरे पुणी ऑब्जेक्ट रो प्रेजेंस ऊपर जोटा ट्रांजिटिव इंट्रांजिटिव ताको पढ़िथिले। शेष भागटा हमर जोटा रहिला सेटा होची सिंपल सेंटेंस, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस जोगुड़ा के हमर क्लॉज को बेस करके हुए ता ऊपर हमें पढ़िबा आज क्लास रे। So in the previous class we have discussed about different kinds of sentences on the basis of structure, on this basis of the some presence of the object in the sentence, and now we are going to discuss the kinds of sentences on the basis of clause. But before that, we have to know about what is clause. So today's class is specially about clause. आजिर क्लास रे हमें प्रथमे क्लॉज कौन जानिबा, क्लॉज जानला परे हमें तारो क्लासिफिकेशन क्लॉज अनुसार कौन कौन हबो हमें पूरा संपूर्ण डिटेल्स रे पढ़िबा। नाउ classification of sentence on the basis of clause. So before going to the different kinds of sentences on the basis of clause, we should have to know what is a clause in the sentence. हमें क्लॉज को नहीं की सेंटेंस को विभागीकरण करिबा, किंतु ता पूर्व हमको जानिया पड़िबो क्लॉज कौन, सेंटेंस रे क्लॉज कौन। So what is a clause? So a clause is a group of words that form a part of longer sentence and has a subject and predicate of its own. So a longer chain of words, a sentence that is a long sentence, that means a group of long words, and it should have what? A predicate and a subject itself. Eta gote lamba chain word, word गुड़िकर समार बाबा पद गुड़िकर समार जहा रो गोटे निर्दिष्ट कर्ता थिबो आउ अन्य अंश तार थिबो जोटा कि हमें प्रेडिकेट बोली कहूचे। Now come to the example. So here everybody in the house visited the temple, but my father stayed alone. So this is a long sentence having many words. It is not a short sentence, it is a long sentence. It is a लंबा वाक्य जो कि बहुत गुड़ाए पद रही। So here what we can find? We can find here the subject and predicate also. So to know about the subject, what we have to do? We will ask who to the sentence. So who in the house visited the temple? So the answer is everybody. So it is a subject. So it is a subject. It is the subject. We found the subject here. The rest are called the predicate. Rest are called the predicate. So here a clause is a group of words that a part of a longer sentence and has a subject and a predicate of its own. It means everybody in the house visited the temple, but my father stayed alone. ସମସ୍ତେ ଘରର ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଗଲେ ବା ଭିଜିଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ବାପା ଘରେ ରହିଗଲେ. Here we see this is the combination of two group of sentences. Here you see it has its own meaning. Everybody in the house visited the temple. So if I take this part, it can be a sentence itself. Again, when we go here, this part, but my father stayed alone. So it can be another part. And here I can get a subject and predicate also. What is that? Who stayed alone? My father. So here in this part, my father is the subject. So stayed the verb. So stayed alone, it is the predicate part here. So in the clause, what we can found? We can found subject and predicate in a group of words in a sentence. So in this example, it has two parts. Everyone in the house visited the temple, and but my father stayed alone. So here, everyone in the house visited the temple. It is the main clause. It is the main clause. And here, but my father stayed alone. This one is called the coordinating So, but my father stayed alone. This is the coordinating main clause. This is the coordinating main clause. तो एठी कौन है दीटा पार्ट रहा ये जो लॉन्ग सेंटेंस लंबा सेंटेंस रो एवरीवन इन द हाउस विजिटेड द टेंपल एटा कहबा हम मेन क्लच बाकी जो पार्ट तो रहा बट टू बट माय फादर स्टेड अलोन याको कहबा कोऑर्डिनेटिंग मेन क्लच सो इन दिस एग्जांपल इन दिस लॉन्ग सेंटेंस it has two parts and one part is the main clause, another part is the coordinating main clause. So here, which one is coordinating? Here, my father stayed alone. It is one sentence. Everyone in the house visited the temple. It is another sentence. But which one is joining? This word but is joining. But is called conjunction. किंतु कौन कह जाए विराम याको हम अव्यय पद कहू कौन कहू अव्यय पद conjunction but is the conjunction that's why it is called coordinating conjunction it is called coordinating conjunction याको हमें coordinating conjunction बोली मध्य कही परिबा so this same sentence can also alternatively written as my father stayed alone but everybody else in the house visited the temple हमें पूर्व वाक्य जो पूर्व सेंटेंस ने लंबा सेंटेंस टा ताको आउ टिके उलट होई लिखि देले my father stayed alone but everybody else in the house visited the temple here my father stayed alone here this my father stayed alone this is the main clause and here but everybody else in the house visited the temple. This one is the coordinating main clause. Coordinating main clause. And but is the coordinating conjunction. But is the coordinating conjunction. Let's take another example. My father stayed alone when everyone else was at the temple. This is another sentence. Here we see. एठी हमें देखिबा my father stayed alone. So here my father is the subject, stayed is the verb. So these are the rest part of the sentence. These are the predicate. So here we can see that my father stayed alone. This one is the main clause. This one is called the main clause. But you see, when everyone else was at the temple. So in this part, there is little difference. This part, when everyone else was at the temple, depends upon the main clause. Depends upon the main clause. It can exist itself, but the first four words, my father stayed alone, these can stay independently. My father stayed alone. It is an independent sentence, but when everyone else was at the temple, it is not an independent sentence. So here we see this sentence depend upon the first sentence. That's why it is not independent sentence. It is not independent sentence. This one is the independent sentence. When an independent sentence has an unindependent sentence or unindependent part, so that one is called subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଠି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ my father stayed alone, ଏଟା ହେଲା independent clause. କାହିଁକି independent main clause ଟା ହେଲା ନା ୟା ଉପରେ अन्य माने ये कहा ଉପରେ निर्भर करूनी, डिपेंड करूनी, किंतु सेकंड पार्ट रे कहला when everyone else was at the temple. If we say we can justify the sentence without taking this part. ए पार्ट को नने कि हमें कहि परिबानी जेतेबेले समस्ते घर मंदिर को जाइथिले. तो जेतेबेले समस्त मंदिर को जाइथिले, when everyone else was at the temple, it is no doubt it has some meaning, but it is not justifying a particular sentence. So this part depends upon its main clause. So this second part of the sentence, when everyone else was at the temple, this is called the subordinate clause. This is called the subordinate clause. Now come to the practice worksheet. Identify the main clause and subordinate clause from the below questions. Main clause और subordinate clause कोटा एथिरो बाछो. As soon as I left my home, I didn't bring my pen. When I met her in the shop, Jagdish came with me, though he gave me his umbrella. So these are the sentences. So what we know, in the long word sentence, we have one part is called main clause, another one is subordinate clause. So when one is called subordinate and when one is called main clause, केतेबेले subordinate कहबा केतेबेले main clause कहबा ना जेतेबेले देखिबा गोटे main गोटे clause उपरे आ गोटे clause निर्भर कर नथिबो. When a clause will not depend upon the other clauses, so that clause is called the main clause or the independent clause. But when some part of the sentence, of the bigger sentence, depend upon other part of the sentence, so that is called subordinate clause, or it is not independent. It is dependent clause. So on this basis we can solve this question. As soon as I left my home, so here, where is the main clause? एटा कहा ऊपर निर्भर करुछि. As soon as I left my home, no doubt आर किछि आंसर हमको माने मार सेंस अछि, मीनिंग अछि, किंतु एटा अन्य गोटे सेंटेंस ऊपर डिपेंड कला भली लागुछि. So it is not giving a complete sense of a longer sentence, so it is a subordinate clause or dependent clause. It is a subordinate clause. एटा होची subordinate clause काहे ना ये अन्य गोटे clause ऊपर डिपेंड करूची. I didn't bring my pen, so here there is no dependence. यहाँ पर कहीं डिपेंड करूना तो ये डिपेंड करूनी कहाँ पर. This sentence is not depending upon other sentence or other clause, so it is an independent clause. So independent clause, so therefore it is main clause. Independent clause is called the main clause. It is not depending upon other clauses. When I met her in the shop, so here this sentence also depending upon other sentence. अन्य sentence ऊपर अन्य clause ऊपर depend करला भली एठी जाना जाउची. हां जत्ते बेले मु तांको दुकान रे देखा हली, तो देखा हली कोन हला किछि कंप्लीट मीनिंग सेंस हमें ठीक से पाउने. सो हमको जाना पड़छि जे एटा गोटे मेन क्लॉज ऊपर डिपेंड करछि. सो इट इज ए डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज और इट इज सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. It is subordinate clause. Jagdish came with me. So Jagdish came with me. This sentence is not depend upon other clause or sentence. ये कहाँ पर निर्भर करो नहीं. So it is an independent sentence. It is an independent sentence. So it is the main clause. It is the main clause. Last one, though he gave me his umbrella. So this sentence also depend upon other clause. So this is a dependent clause. As it is dependent, it is called subordinate clause. It is called subordinate clause. Okay. Thank you for today's class. We have elaborately discussed about clause. So, in the next class, on the basis of clause, we will classify the types of sentence as simple, compound, and complex. Thanks a lot.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.